cookies, we are using Good Day. You can use any cookies. Amul butter, chocolate, you can use any chocolate. We are using dairy milk. We need bowl. We are using these bowls to make the lava cake. Baking soda and measuring cups and fresh milk. Now we are going to crush these biscuits.
Now I am going to put these biscuits in this mixer. Now we will crush these cookies. Hey Java, why are you eating the biscuits? I will eat.
Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's crush the biscuits. Now we have crushed the chocolate biscuits. After crushing, we need to add 1 cup of milk. Now we need to blend it again. Now our batter is ready. Wash your hands before cooking.
Now we need to grease our bowl.
Now you need butter to grease the bowl. First you do, Jumana. We finished greasing. Now wipe our hands with tissue. Okay.
I wipe my hand.
I also. Now we should pour the batter into the bowl, but only half of the bowl we need to pour the batter. Slowly. That's enough. I'll pour for you. We need to put the chocolate in the cake, but for that we need to put this chocolate in the middle of the batter. Let's get started. Slowly. Okay, I finished.
Now I also finished.
After that we need to pour little more batter so that we cover the chocolate. Okay, now Jumana will pour for you. Cover the chocolate. Okay. Okay, slowly.
Okay, I finished also.
We finished.
Now we should slowly tap the batter 5 times. Finish.
Next step is baking. For baking, we need our mom's help. We need to bake it on the stove top for 20 minutes. Before baking the cake, we need to preheat the pan for 10 minutes and then bake the cake for 20 minutes. Now our cake is finished baking. Wait for 10 minutes for the cake to cool down. We cannot touch it, it's very hot.
Very hot.
We need to wait for 10 minutes to cool down and then we have to demold the cake. As our cake is ready, before I told that the cake will take 10 minutes to cool down, but I was wrong. It took 30 minutes to cool down. Let's taste it.
Taste.
So guys, I'm very excited to cut it.
Now I'm
Oh, it's
excited to
falling.
taste it.
Oh, it's so hard.
There, it's so soft.
Slowly. Oh my god.
Mmm,
Come on.
so tasty.
I didn't even get a bite.
Super, guys.
Awesome. You have to try this. So guys, if you like this video, like,
Share,
comment
subscribe.
and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
So,
Bye!